Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see a black box type of question. What does it mean by black box? Like, the thing is, you have given a network, and it is not given like the connections of the resistance, whatever it is. It is not given. Rather, the input and output is given, and this linear network is treated as a black box. You need not even worry about what is there inside, but there is some measurement is given. So input voltage is given for this linear network is 20 volt and the input current is 2 ampere and the open circuit voltage is 5 volt at the output terminal. And the same network has been reconnected with a voltage source 20 volt and 1 ohm in the input and the 1 ohm at the output. You can say, and you have to find out the current flowing through the uh, 1 ohm resistance. And two important thing is given. The linear network I am considering is symmetrical and reciprocal in nature. What does it mean by symmetrical and reciprocal? Let's say you have one network with you. Okay, maybe I can take one example better. Let's say you have one T network. Let's say 1 ohm, 2 ohm. If you take a mirror image across this line of symmetry, you will see same network is appearing in the left side and network is appearing on the right side. So it is symmetry in nature. And reciprocal means if you connect the input here and if you connect a load here and you are getting some response in the load, okay. The same way, if you connect this source in this side and you're connecting load in this side and you are getting same response, then you should say it is a, you can say, reciprocal in nature. Like the source and load can be you can say interchanged, the response will still be same. So this is the nature of the symmetry and the reciprocal network. Okay, but if I think from two port network point of view, especially for z parameter, if you have a two port network, the z parameter should be z11, z12, z21, z22. If for a two-port network or a linear network, this Z11 and Z22 are same, then the linear network is called symmetric. And if Z21 and Z12 are same, then this network is called reciprocal network. Okay, so this thing is important for us for further calculation. Okay, I will discuss about that now. Uh, so what are the things that we have right now? So let's say this is my I1 and this is my V1 and this is my V2 and let's say this is my I2 and I2 is 0 ampere here because it is open circuited. So if I write down V1 is equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. I2 is 0 ampere, so this terminal will simply vanish. So Z11 is simply V1 by I1. V1 is 20 volt and I1 is 2 ampere, so it is 10 ohm. Z11 is 10 ohm. And same way, if I write the V2, V2 is equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. This term is simply 0 and Z21 is equals to V2 by I1. V2 is simply 5 volt and I1 is 2 ohm, 2 ampere. So it is 2.5 ohm. So I know Z11 and I know Z21. Since this network is symmetric and reciprocal, so Z11 will simply Z22, that means 10 ohm, and reciprocal, so Z21 is equals to Z12 is equals to 2.5 ohm. So all the four parameter is known to me. Just I need to calculate the I current now. Ten, 2.5, 2.5 20 volt Okay, you need to find out the current I here. So what I can do, let me go with the two port circuit net notations. So I1, this is my I2, this is my V1, this is my V2, correct? This is my V2. So what can be done? So I can write V1 is equals to 10 I1 plus 2.5 I2, and V2 is equals to 2.5 I1 plus 10 I2, and V2 is equals to minus I2. Because if you write the KVL here, you will get V2 is equals to minus I2, and here if you write the KVL, you will get 20 is equals to V1 plus I1 into 1. So V1 plus I1. So these are the four relationships you have, and you know you have you can say four unknowns, right? So you can basically you can put V2 is equals to minus I2 in these equations. So equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. So if I just put equation 3 into equation 2, I'll get minus I2 is equals to 2.5 I1 plus 10 I2. So you will get 0 is equals to 2.5 I1 plus 11 I2. So what I will get, minus 2.5 I1 is equals to 11 I2 minus 11 by 2.5 I2 minus 11 by 2.5, like 11 by 2.5, 11 by 2.5 will get minus 4.4 I2. This I have. Now what are the things I can do now? Mm, so this equation is okay. I need to get a relationship between I2 and some other things. Okay. Mm, from here, do I have anything? Maybe I have the relationship V1 plus I1 is equal to 20 volt. So this V1. So from equation number 4, I can write V1 is equals to 20 minus I1. So this value I can substitute in equation number 1. Those, so I'll get V20 minus I1 is equals to 10 I1 plus 2.5 I2. Okay. So I'll get 20 is equals to 11 I1 plus 2.5 I2. Now put the I1 value here. From this particular equation, put this I1. So 11 minus 4.4 I2 plus 2.5 I2. So if you calculate, you will get 11 into 4.4 minus, maybe I can write here, 2.5 minus 4.4 into 11 plus 45.9 I2. So what I2 you will get? I2 is equals to 20 by minus 45.9 answer into 20. So I2 will be minus 0.435 ampere. See, I have considered I2 in this calculation, I2 in the upward in is inward directions, but actually you have to find out the current. If you see the notations, the current here, like in the outward direction. So here the current will be 0.435 ampere, right? The answer will be 0.435 ampere. So you have to keep this point in your mind. Okay. But I hope you understood like how to proceed with such problems. What does it mean by symmetrical and reciprocal and all. But still, if you have any doubt regarding this question, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay. Thank you.